Hi guys, I just want to give a quick disclaimer before we get into today's video today. It's going to be a little different from my other videos. The quality, I don't know, it's not that it's bad quality, it's just that I am working with my mom's tripod and her older camera, which is just the better version of the old camera I had. And if you guys have been following along for a while, you know that I didn't really like my old camera. I used it because it was what I had, and of course it worked for me, and it was a very absolute wonderful starter camera. It took me through a long while with you guys, and a long while when I thought I was into photography and just like a bunch of stuff. And again, I'm so grateful to have had that camera, but since upgrading to my Canon, it is very hard to use this camera considering there's no way to see yourself. It doesn't autofocus. The timing thing you have to do each time, the settings, like I don't know how to get the settings to say, and it's not my camera again, so I don't want to be changing all my mom's settings. Like, it's just a big ordeal. So I just want to say thank you guys for always sticking beside me. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for the support. Thank you for subscribing, commenting. Thank you for watching all my videos, because this one's about to take us back to OG Tiny Tay, to the beginning when I used to film all my videos like out of focus, when I used to have half my videos in focus and half out. We're really taking it back. So this is just a quick reminder: stay humble, stay appreciative, never forget where you came from. Let's go. Here it is, iPad unboxing. Hi guys, it's Tiny Tay and I'm back today with my new iPad Pro. If you are new here, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you're returning, hi, welcome back. I have missed you. It is a good day. We are outside, the sun is shining, we are blessed with another day. So I guess I'm going to unbox this, and I've already waited like 4 days. Again, since we are outside, sorry, there's probably going to be noises that I can't control. I'm going to try and cut it out the best I can, but you guys know how those things go. However, when I am home and when I can film outside and when I have the help to, I really like to. At my home in Minnesota, I don't really have the opportunity or the space because it's not my house. So let's get unboxing. I'm super excited. This is the 2021 iPad Pro 11-inch with 256 gigs. We've got the M1 processor in this baby. I cannot be more excited. Okay, so while we are doing this unboxing, you may see a little hand floating around, and you can consider that just a little bit of magic to help me out with my other platforms. So let's get unboxing. A lot of you said you guys wanted me to talk during this, and that was a little weird because I kind of wanted to do an aesthetic unboxing, but let's open her up. I didn't get the seamless aesthetic rip, but that's okay. Here she is. Isn't she a beaut? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I can't wait to see how freaking fast this thing is. Of course, I wouldn't be able to get the top off. Okay guys, look at her. Oh my gosh. Here she is. Oh, I'm kind of risking it. I got the gray, mostly because the silver was out everywhere and I did not want to wait for shipping. I had already waited so long for this. Look at her. It's so thin. Honestly, that worries me. And I decided to get the 11-inch because I will be using this for school, and I don't like carrying around my laptop just for the fact that it is so clunky and not thin, and it's just heavy. And also, it's just inconvenient for me because I don't need like a just laptop hanging around. But this iPad I can keep with me. Oh, look at how pretty. Okay, so you guys can see her in all of her glory. She is so pretty. It's literally so sleek. I should have ordered a case before I even got here, but I didn't. Let's turn her on. As you can see, she's on and ready to go. Oh, I'm so excited. And I got the Apple Pencil too. Sadly, there will be no Apple Pencil unboxing. As you can already see, it's opened, and that's okay because I needed to make sure that it was going to be what I was looking for. So it's giving me the setup screen. I realize you guys can't see, probably because I'm outside, but that's okay. I'm going to click English. Oh, this pencil needs to be charged. United States. Okay, so I'll be doing the quick start from my phone. So it says bring your current iPhone or Apple, and then it says use your Apple ID to set up your new iPad. Okay, so now I'm going to set up my Face ID. Yay! You can see Face ID scan is complete. I really hope you guys can see this. Boom. Now it's setting up my Apple ID. Now I'm just doing all of this fun little stuff like getting my Siri and Apple Cash, all of that set up. And boom, welcome to iPad. We are here. Look at this brand spanking new baby. Oh my gosh. So as you guys can see, obviously I did get the Apple Pencil. I don't know which side it goes on. Is it the this? Yeah? I don't know how to connect it or what. Alrighty, so this is how it comes up when I connect my Apple Pencil. Sorry again. It shows you everything you can do: scribble, instant notes, switch gestures, and screen capture. So continue and try writing a few words. Ah! I don't know how. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you are using and the eraser. So I guess I have to double tap like right there. Use Apple Pencil here. I don't know where to double tap, guys. I'm literally such a mess, and this is why I don't get new things. My God. I'll come back to that at a later date. Anyway, here she is in her glory, all set up, and I'm so excited and cannot wait to use her. And that will be the end of this video.